Have you ever wondered about the man who electrified the world? The genius whose mind danced with lightning? Today, we're diving into the extraordinary life of Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with innovation, mystery, and a future he imagined long before we lived it. Born during a fierce lightning storm in 1856 in what is now Croatia, it was almost as if nature itself announced his arrival. His mother, a brilliant inventor of household appliances in her own right, nurtured his innate curiosity. From a young age, Tesla was different. He possessed an eidetic memory and could visualize complex inventions in his mind with incredible detail, building and testing them entirely in his imagination before ever touching a tool. Driven by a dream to harness the power of Niagara Falls, a young Tesla arrived in America in 1884 with just 4 cents in his pocket, a book of poetry, and a letter of recommendation to the one and only Thomas Edison. Initially, the two titans worked together. Tesla's brilliance shone as he quickly solved some of Edison's most challenging engineering problems. However, their partnership was destined to be short-lived. A fundamental disagreement set them on a collision course. Edison was a champion of direct current, or DC, which flows in one direction. Tesla, however, had a revolutionary vision for something far more efficient: alternating current, or AC. He knew AC could be transmitted over vast distances with minimal power loss, something DC simply couldn't do. This disagreement ignited the infamous War of the Currents. Edison, fearing the threat to his DC empire, launched a public campaign to discredit AC, claiming it was dangerous. But Tesla, backed by industrialist George Westinghouse, persisted. He knew his system was superior, safer, and the key to powering the entire planet. The world watched as Tesla and Westinghouse proved the power and safety of AC at the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. For the first time in history, a massive event was illuminated by a single, powerful system. It was a dazzling spectacle, a city of light that showcased the dawn of a new electrical age. Tesla's victory was sealed when his AC system was chosen to harness the immense power of Niagara Falls, fulfilling his childhood dream and cementing AC as the global standard for power distribution. The very electricity powering the device you're watching this on is a testament to Tesla's triumph. But the AC motor was just the beginning. Tesla's mind was a whirlwind of creation. He invented the Tesla coil, a transformer that creates stunning arcs of high-voltage electricity, which laid the groundwork for radio technology. Yes, while Marconi is often credited with inventing the radio, the Yukasu Supreme Court later upheld Tesla's patents, recognizing him as the true pioneer. He experimented with X-rays, remote control, and even developed one of the first remote-controlled boats, shocking audiences in 1898. His ambition knew no bounds. He moved to Colorado Springs, where he built a massive experimental station. Here, under the vast sky, he conducted some of his most daring and mysterious experiments. He created artificial lightning bolts over 100 feet long, with thunder heard miles away. He discovered terrestrial stationary waves, proving the Earth itself could be used as a conductor. He believed he could transmit not just information, but electrical power, wirelessly through the ground and atmosphere to any point on the planet. This grand vision led to his most ambitious project, the Wardenclyffe Tower on Long Island, New York. This wasn't just a tower. It was meant to be the first node in a global wireless system. Tesla envisioned a world with free, unlimited energy for all, a world where ships at sea and planes in the air could draw power directly from the ether. Imagine a world without power lines, where energy was as accessible as the air we breathe. Tragically, this dream was never realized. His primary investor, J.P. Morgan, pulled funding after realizing that free energy wasn't exactly a profitable business model. The tower, a magnificent symbol of a possible future, was eventually dismantled. Heartbroken and financially ruined, Tesla's public influence began to wane. Despite holding over 300 patents, the later years of his life were spent in relative obscurity, living in New York City hotels, his mind still racing with ideas for robotics, vertical takeoff aircraft, and particle beam weapons. He passed away alone in 1943, leaving behind a legacy that was, for a long time, overshadowed by his contemporaries. But geniuses are never truly forgotten. Today, Nikola Tesla's name is once again celebrated. His vision for a wireless world is our reality, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and smartphones. His AC system remains the backbone of our global power grid. Visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk have even named their revolutionary electric car company in his honor, a fitting tribute to the man who first dreamed of an electric future. Tesla was more than an inventor. He was a prophet of the modern age. He saw the future not as it was, but as it could be. His life is a powerful reminder that sometimes the most brilliant ideas are the ones that take the longest to be truly understood. He gave us light, he gave us power, and he gave us a dream of a connected world that we are still working to fully realize. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the life of a true visionary. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about the incredible minds that shaped our world, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. We'll see you next time.